The widow knows that angry cloud, the Spartan mule and the crippled cow, the fallow field that will yield no more. The fox lay sleeping neath her kitchen floor. The stream can't contain such the withering rain. And from the pasture the fences lean away. The clouds crack and growl like some great cat on the prowl, crying out, I am over and over again. The days grow short as the nights grow long. The kettle sings its tortured song. A many-petaled kiss I place upon her brow. Oh, my lady, lady, I am loving you now. The winter birds have gone back again. Hear the sprightly chickadee gone now as the willow wren. In passing greet each other as if old friends. To the voiceless trees it is their singing they will end. The days grow short as the nights grow long. The kettle sings its tortured song. A many-petaled kiss I place upon her brow. Oh, my lady, lady, I am loving you now. Though all these things will change, the memories will remain. As green to gold, then gold to brown. The leaves will fall to feed the ground, and they fall and make no sound. Oh, my lady, know that I am loving you now. I've gathered all my money and I'm going to town to buy my lady a long and a flowing gown. 'Cause come tomorrow morning we're off to the county fair. If I find a yellow flower I will lace it in her hair. The days grow short as the nights grow long. The kettle sings its tortured song. A many-petaled kiss I place upon her brow. Oh, my lady, lady, I am loving you now. Oh, my lady, lady, I am loving you now.